Alright, I just recorded this again because I kind of yapped in the last one. I don't know if I recorded this setup yet, but pretty much we got two transformers. Now obviously each one has one output or one side of the secondary tied to the ground, which that's not grounded, but it would be if it was in the microwave, and the other one comes out here. And then this is the filament winding. Nobody cares about that. This one goes here. I'm using this one as a ballast because this is tied to the output of this. These two cases are tied together and it's grounded, so that's pretty much a center tap. So you can touch this while it's running. I would not because that's stupid. Outputs are... yeah, so the other output goes to the capacitor bank. They're all 1 microfarad capacitors. Two sets of 2 in series that are parallel together, which effectively just makes it 1 microfarad but double the voltage rating. And then we got the terrifying fucking stick. Now, in the last video I did record it. I accidentally arced it to the casing, and something started making suspicious sounds, and I don't know if it was just fucking magnetic effects in the core or if I started burning a winding up. I don't know, but we're gonna try it again. So always make sure that's stable so it doesn't fall on your hand when you do something, you know. Okay, if we hear suspicious sounds. What the fuck? You hear that shit? Alright, that was just some magnetic shit. I think it's stabilizing a little bit. Well, that's probably just because that's not secure. Okay, got the stick. Always hold this with a death grip. Unless it's falling on you, then run away. Let's go the other direction this time. That's definitely just because something's loose. You would hear like sizzling if it was burning up. Now supposedly this dims the lights upstairs when I'm doing this. I've heard complaints. Maybe that capacitor's about to blow up. This is kind of scary. Yeah, I really don't like that. I'm actually going to shut this off right now. Stick is safe. Okay, no, we're going to investigate. What the fuck is this? Is this about to kill me? Always be aware of that. I'm about to poke it with another stick. Hold on. I found an even better stick that I haven't been using for some reason. That end's dirty. So I'm gonna use this end. I'm gonna tap things and see what happens. So it's not the ballast. Forgot that's being used as a ballast. I don't think it's doing much. What the fuck is that? What is that doing? The stick's too long. I'm gonna break something behind me. What the fuck? This is scary. I'm hoping that's just some retarded magnetic shit, because it only does it when I move it. Alright, let's investigate. I'm going to turn this off and we're going to pick it up. Oh, here's how you... this is the safety. Emergency pull stop. So, we got our stick still with a death grip because it's not safe. Gotta discharge the capacitor bank. Looks like there wasn't much in it right now, but sometimes it'll make a big old pop. Okay. Why is this vibrating so loud? Oh, that's not good if that just pulled off like that. Maybe... maybe this wasn't doing anything, and maybe it was just the fact that this was so loose. Where was this even on? Here? Yeah. Maybe I better attempt to tighten that a bit. Ignore my hands, I was at work. Where's my fucking strippers? Oh, for safety, we can set this on there. Now look, even though it's grounded, it's now isolated from my table. These shouldn't have any voltage to the casing, so I'm not really worried about them. Let me just try and press this stake on down a bit. Ooh, I think I might have made that worse. Come on, motherfucker. Alright, whatever, we're just gonna try it again. Stick is secure. Where's the other end of the cord? Am I standing on it? Oh, it's over here. Let's see what happens. Okay, that sounds a lot better. Now, I take this stick. Oh, it's finally not retarded. Okay, let's try it again. This is fucking scary. Look at how it dims that up there. Oh, I didn't even show it, the outlet thing. Oh man, my clock's out of sync now. Man. Okay. That's the end of the video. Man, I wish I had my meter. Then I would. Uh-oh. What's sizzling? What's sizzling? Ooh. I don't like that. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I probably should have unplugged this before I turned the breaker back on. So anyways, that's that. It's hot. Yeah. Enjoy.